Namaste dear students, welcome to this my YouTube tutorial channel, and today we are going to learn about the number systems conversion part 3. We have already gone through that last two videos. The first video was about the introductions, second video was about the number system conversions from decimal into binary, decimal into octal, decimal into hexa. Other number system into decimal number system. So any other number systems are given, and decimal numbers is asked. So in this way conversion we are going to learn in this video. So please be with me, go through this all video. Please do not escape this video, and if you do like this video and you are thinking that it's helpful for your students, your friends, then please you can like and subscribe this video to your friends, colleagues and students, uh, and subscribe my channel. That means if any numbers is given, like a binary numbers is given, and asking here decimal number systems, the same way here octal is given and asked here decimal number systems. So hexa is given here and asked here is decimal number system. So first let's I'm going to take an example. If any numbers is given in binary numbers, suppose let's here is 10110. If here is binary is given and asked here is decimal number system, then last time we learned about the any other decimal number into any other number system, that time we did divide, but here we are just going to multiply. So those who have not gone through that my past two parts of video, so please go through that part 1 and part 2, and then you will be more clear about this part 3. So this is part 3 we are going to start. So here let's I'm going to start. This is the binary number, and this binary number we are going to convert into decimal number. So in this form we can multiply by 2 to all the binary numbers separately, and we just give the power to that 2, and then we calculate. So in this first normal way, I'm going to in horizontal way I'm going to calculate. So first let's multiply one by one. Let's start from left to right. We will multiply by 2 to all different digits, and we are going to add separately. So 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2, and we must give the power to 2 and start from the 0. So 0 from right to left, 1 2 3 4, in this way. So this is the horizontal method we are going to complete this. So let's calculate the same way. So 1 into 2 power 4. 2 power 4. It's a very simple way. I'm going to show you here. 2 power 4 means 4 times 2. 4 times 2. So 2 to the 4. Alright. So 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16. So 2 power 4, that means 16, plus 0 here is, and 2 power 3 means 8, but you don't need to calculate this, because if any numbers will come, if you multiply by 0 directly, it's 0. We can omit this, or you can write just 0. So here is 1 into 2 power 2 means 4, and plus 1 into 2 power 1 means 2, and here again 0, so we can omit this, or you can just write like, I'm going to show you here one important things, that's why I'm going to write here. Here is 0, this 0 comes here, and any power, if there is power is 0, any number if power is 0, that its always value is 1. So if 2 power 0 means its value is 1. So I would like to show you just only, you don't need to show, because here is already multipliers is 0. So in this way you can go. Okay, so Now what is the numbers with the 1? These are the numbers, so just you can add them. So here is 16 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 22 is the decimal number system. So in this way you can calculate vertical way. So this is, I just calculate the horizontal way. Now you can calculate with the vertical way also. The same way, we are going to write here questions like 10110 is the binary number, and here is asked what decimal. This was this is our question. So I'm going to do in vertical way. So I told you I teach you in two different methods. This is horizontal and vertical. Not only that, I'm going to teach another method, direct method also, so that you can calculate. Okay, so let 1 into 2 and 0, let's from left to down, I'm going to write left to right in down way, up to down. So here is into 2, or you can omit this, no matter. So here is 1 into 2, 1 into 2, and 0 into 2. Again the same way here, like power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or in the place of this power, you can use the direct number, like here is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. In this way we can directly write in form. So let's multiply and write here. So this way also you can write the calculation. The same methods is another same way you can write. You can write directly them separately first the numbers to all that numbers what is given in question. So here is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 in separate all columns, and just you can multiply with the numbers that 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. These are the multiplier numbers, and then you can multiply and add all together. That way also you can write. So these 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, these are these numbers that what we have calculated. These are the power numbers, a power of 2 that we can directly you can write. Here is 0, here is 2, here is 4, and here is 16. All together you can add them. That is the way to convert into decimal number system. So in this way we can convert. The same way from octal to hexa, I'm going to write here another question. Here is octal is given, any other number system is given, and asks what? Decimal number system. So for this also we must multiply by the given number. So we must multiply by the 8. So in this way also you can do either horizontally or vertically, like 4 into 8 plus 7 into 8 plus 0 into 8 plus 2 into 8. So you must again give the power to that multiplier. So like 8 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3. So in this way we can go 4 into 8 power 3. 8 power 3 means 3 times 8. So like I'm going to show you here example 8 into 8 into 8. So 8 8 ja 64. 64 8 ja 512. In this way also we can go. So okay, so 512 plus 7 into 8 power 2 means 64, plus here 0 into 8, or you can omit this, plus 2 into 1. I told you any numbers if power is 0, that means its value is 1. So in this way you can do the calculations. So okay, so in this way you can do the calculations. So here is just you can solve it. This is the answer. So in this way you can do the calculation. This is horizontal method. If you like to do this in vertical method also, you can do the same way, or you can just, I told you, you can just write them separately, like 7 4 7 0 2 and multiply by 1 8 64 and 512. In this way you can directly you can calculate, and these multipliers and just multiply, it will come like what? 2048 plus 448 plus 2, and if you do this all additions, it will directly come to 498. This is the answer. In this way you can calculate. Is hexa is given and asking here the decimal number system. So here I told you this in previous video, this a refers to the just single numbers but with the 2 digits, that is 10. A is 10 and here is 2 is the 2 and f means 15. So in this way we can just write, and multipliers again by here 1 and here 16 and here 256. This how you can calculate. See, I told you we can just go on that, like here is 10 into 16 plus 2 into 16 plus 15 into 16. But when you will give power to them, like power 0, power 1, power 2, this means, see here, it's a 10 into 16 power 2 means 16 into 16. 16 it's a 256 plus 2 into 16 power 1 means 16, okay, and plus 15 into 1, any power that is 0, that means 1. So in this way, that these same multipliers I have written directly here. In this way you can do. So 256 10 are 0, here is, and here 32 plus 15. Okay, here also you can do the same way. You can calculate, it's come the same answer if you try. So this is the answer. In this way you can calculate the answer. So thank you class, and please, if you have any queries, any questions, you just communicate to me. Just give in comment. If you have any suggestions and any comment, please don't forget to comment me. And if you like this, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that